Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world. Now that is how I used to start all of my YouTube videos when I very first started my YouTube channel. And a big part of my YouTube journey has been my Mercedes Sprinter Campervan. And I've had this van a good 6 years, but over the last 2 years I've been converting this Mercedes Vario into a luxurious overlander. And now that it's finished, it's time to let Proud Mary go. Rather than sell her, why not give something back and give one of you guys the chance to win Proud Mary for £5. So today I'm going to give you a quick walk around and show you exactly what you can expect for your £5. Now Proud Mary is a medium wheelbase Sprinter, and for that reason I fitted side pods, giving us an over 6 foot bed across the back inside. We'll take a look at the bed in a moment. Here we have a spare wheel with a spare wheel cover and also a tow bar. Very useful. Now the side door and the rear door has these high security locks. So even though the van is unlocked, you can't open the door. You do need to open the door using a key. Pretty much like a house key really. So here we go, this is underneath the garage. You can see we've got loads of storage under here. We've got our gas locker with our gas bottle. We've also got 60 litres of fresh water. And here you can see the mattress is actually 8 inches deep. This is a memory foam mattress with a latex top, and it is 8 inches. And I've got to tell you, the most comfortable mattress you'll ever sleep in your entire life. That is no exaggeration. This thing was not cheap. It was over £600, and I will be leaving it in the van. I've not used it a lot, but I've got to say, the times I have used this, I slept like a baby. This thing is so comfortable. Absolutely brilliant. I was so impressed with it. I actually went and got another one for my Vario. Oh, I almost forgot to mention we have an outside tap here as well, which you can attach a hose pipe and shower yourself. There is a pole that goes across these doors. You can attach a shower curtain to that to give you some privacy. And the pole lives up here. I won't take it down, but yeah, it's clipped up there. And up higher on the back we have a reversing camera and some high visibility side lights with brake lights and indicators. We have 600 watts of solar. We have a Pointang antenna here. This is for your Wi-Fi. We've also got a little adapter here for anyone out there that has Starlink. And right up the very end you can just see the top of the flue for the wood burner. So this is a cubic mini wood stove that I imported all the way from Canada. This isn't something somebody's knocked up in their garden shed or their garage. This is a proper safe wood burner. It is fully insulated inside with fire bricks, as is the flue as well. This is a double flue, and this part of the flue that goes through the roof is actually insulated. Now not only is this wood burner good for keeping the van warm in the winter and providing a nice ambiance, you can also cook on it with a little skillet, although that does need a good clean. Now the biggest question I get asked about the wood burner is how do I go about insuring the van with a wood burner fitted? Well, I've had no problems with insurance. I've had 4 different insurance companies over the years. None of them have had an issue with me having this proper bona fide wood burner in the van. In fact, my last insurance company, I actually sent them photographs of outside the van, inside the van, including the wood burner, to do an agreed valuation, and they came back with an agreed valuation of £25,000 for Proud Mary. Now the main reason I brought Mary in the first place is because she has got air conditioning and also automatic transmission, which makes her an absolute pleasure to drive. Oh, also she's got remote control on the steering wheel for the stereo, which is also a built-in satellite navigation system. Now you can see I did actually cut a section of the double seat away so that you could walk through. I have actually gone and brought another double seat, so if you don't want this walk through, I can change it for you. Oh, and this seat base is lockable as well, so if you've got anything valuable you can put it in the base of this double seat, which is why I really like the double seat, because you can lock it with a padlock. But here we go, this is the magic, fully swivel-able. So I quite often sit here like this with my feet up on the toilet and enjoy the views. Talking of toilets, that is underneath the wood burner. Now if you happen to be in a sensitive area and you can't use the wood burner, don't fret, because underneath here, behind the toilet, is a diesel heater. And the diesel heater controller is right here, and to keep all that heat inside the van, you can simply draw these thermal curtains. These also give you lots of privacy. And oh look, there's more storage up here too. Now don't worry, if you cannot be bothered to swivel that front seat around but you fancy lounging, then you've got this lovely sofa here. Simply move the swivel table to one side and put your feet up and enjoy the ambience of the wood burner. For the kitchen area, we have one single tap that is actually connected to a Triflow freshwater drinking systems, and the filter is underneath here. Here we have the filler for the water tank. We also have a twin burner gas cooker. There we go, nice and easy, nice and simple. And if you've got plenty of sunshine and you're using those 600 watts of solar on the roof, you can pull out the induction cooktop. And directly underneath the induction cooktop, we've got a standard 12-volt campervan fridge. Do actually have 7 drawers along with a step down here, so you can stand on this and get into bed easily. But also it has a removable lid, and you've probably noticed we have access to everything underneath the bed through these doors here. And underneath the seating area, you've actually got all this storage space, and you also have the Bluetti Elite 300, and this is charged up using the Bluetti Charger 2, giving you plenty of power to power this van. But if you feel the need to add more power to this, you certainly can. And up above we have even more storage. We've got 3 cupboards up this end and 2 cupboards on this end, and as you can see, we've got our ceiling fan directly above the bed, and I actually leave it open all the time, allowing plenty of ventilation. But if you want more ventilation, we do have these windows and these have got fly screens as well. And in the evening, when you want some privacy, we've got these lovely custom made curtains that were made for me, handmade I might add, by one of my subscribers. What a lovely surprise that was. Now, according to my analytics on YouTube, about 40% of my viewers actually watch my videos on their TVs, which means you won't be able to find any links that I put in the description taking you to Raffle's website. So if you happen to be one of those people, purely for your convenience, I'll put a barcode up here. So if you open up your smartphone, turn on the camera, point the camera at this barcode, you'll see flash up on your screen a link that will take you directly to the Raffle website, where you can buy a ticket to win Mary for £5. I hope this helps. Now, did you happen to notice this lovely shelf? It's not a random shelf, it's actually somewhere I can put my cup. So when I'm sat here watching my favourite YouTube channel, I've got somewhere to put my tasty beverage. Quite deliberate. Now, I do believe I forgot to mention that there is actually an awning on the side of the van, and also the solar panels are fully tiltable. You can actually tilt them either way, depending of course where you're facing in relation to the sun. So there you go. Can you see yourself driving around in Proud Mary this summer, exploring the English countryside or coastline, or even go further beyond? You can take a trip into Europe with Mary. And I am really looking forward to handing the keys over to Proud Mary to someone that's bought a ticket for £5. Amazing. Thank you for this opportunity and the best of luck.